My name is Lori Fleece, and I am the President and CEO of Valvoline Inc. As I reflect on my career, I have to say that Kettering really had a massive impact. When I was graduating, there was a downturn in the automotive industry. I was nervous. I needed to get a job, and I littered the country with my resume, and it was amazing how many companies contacted me back. They get thousands of resumes, but the experience that I had was truly different than many of the applicants they had. The way the Kettering program is set up is there's so many parts of classes, labs that are done in teams. In order to be successful, you have to build good communication skills and good collaboration skills. The professors actually help you with that, but that is so critical as you move into full-time work. And it becomes even more important as you gain more responsibility and as you move up into executive levels. At the end of the day, when you're leading a company or leading a division or even a department, it's all about the people and how you get them to work together towards a common goal and get them to collaborate and take ownership. A lot of those seeds were set in the Kettering educational environment. Having the opportunity to be in 16 different departments at such a young age and early in my career, it meant I worked with 16 different leaders. I learned so much by watching how they led, found ways to engage their team in the problem solving and the strategy versus just directing them and coming up with all of the solutions. They really engaged the team to help create the best plans. A leader's job is to build an all-star team, and that takes work. It takes investment. Success is a mix of luck and hard work. You have to recognize when you're lucky, but always work hard. And have the humility when you catch a lucky break. Don't take it for granted.